Hello and welcome back to Simple Charm Living. Today I will be recreating the whipped coffee that everyone is seeing on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. So let's go ahead and see if I can make and recreate this same exact coffee. Here is the whipped coffee, and now we are going to try it. Didn't get enough milk. Let's stir it. That's a little better now. Let's formulate some thoughts here. The whipped part is very smooth, very creamy. Creamy is a weird way of saying that, but I have an idea. What if we did the same process, but instead of using hot water, we used hot milk? How would that change things? Looks like we're gonna find out. I don't think that anything is going to come out of it anymore. Oh yeah. So I will say this one looks a lot better to me than the other one did. It moves a lot more, so hopefully it's a little bit easier to actually drink than the other one. So let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's mix it up now. Of the two, I do like this one better in terms of the texture of it. I like that the milk made it easier to work with. It took a lot longer. It didn't get the peaks as the water one did. But I think the milk actually makes it a little bit more creamier, a little bit more liquidy, not as peaky. So if you want that peaky taste, then definitely go for the water. If you like a little bit more liquidy and move around, I would say go for the milk for sure. I have not told him anything yet. What do you know about the texture of it?
It's creamy, but it's a little thicker. It's not too espresso, but it's very, I don't know, it's mild. I like milder coffee anyway, so yeah, it's very creamy, very sweet. Am I supposed to know something about it?
Would you drink it again?
It's not bad.
Okay.
I give it a thumbs up.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you want to see more from me, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell so that you do not miss any of my future posts. And I will see you next time. Bye.